spinach, rice and peas in olive oil. Peel one large potato and chop into large cubes. Peel the carrots and chop into cubes of a similar size to the potatoes. Mince 6 cloves of garlic. Heat 4 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan. Add the garlic and stir briefly until you can smell its aroma. Taking care not to let the ingredients fry, add the cubed carrots and sauté on high heat for about 2 minutes until tender. Then add the potatoes, frozen peas and cooked spinach and continue cooking for 5 minutes. Add about 240 millilitres of water until the vegetables are covered, 2 tablespoons of rice, 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Cook for about 20 minutes on low heat. Serve warm. Bon appétit!